Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Workshop on Implementing Compliance Frameworks. Implementing compliance frameworks in AWS is a critical endeavor for organizations seeking to ensure the security, integrity, and confidentiality of their data in the cloud. Compliance frameworks provide structured guidelines and best practices that help organizations meet regulatory requirements, manage risks, and build trust with their stakeholders. AWS offers robust services and tools that facilitate the implementation of these frameworks, enabling organizations to achieve compliance effectively and efficiently. The first step in implementing compliance frameworks in AWS is understanding the regulatory landscape that applies to your organization. Different industries are governed by specific regulations, such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act for healthcare, the General Data Protection Regulation for data protection in the European Union, and the Sarbanes-Oxley Act for financial reporting. Each of these regulations has distinct requirements that organizations must adhere to, and AWS provides a comprehensive set of services that can help meet these requirements. One of the key services offered by AWS for compliance is AWS CloudTrail, which provides comprehensive logging of API calls made on your account. This service enables organizations to track changes to resources, monitor user activities, and maintain an audit trail, all of which are essential for compliance. For instance, GDPR mandates that organizations maintain detailed records of data processing activities. By using AWS CloudTrail, organizations can automatically record and store logs of all API calls, ensuring that they meet GDPR's documentation requirements. In addition to logging and monitoring, encryption is another critical aspect of compliance that AWS addresses effectively. Many regulations, such as HIPAA and GDPR, require that sensitive data be encrypted both in transit and at rest. AWS provides several encryption services, including AWS Key Management Service and AWS Cloud HSM, which allow organizations to manage encryption keys and encrypt data without compromising performance. For example, HIPAA requires that protected health information be encrypted to ensure its confidentiality and integrity. By utilizing AWS KMS, organizations can create and manage cryptographic keys, enabling them to encrypt PI stored in AWS services like Amazon S3, RDS, and Redshift. Furthermore, AWS Config is a service that helps organizations assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of their AWS resources. It continuously monitors and records AWS resource configurations and allows users to automate the evaluation of recorded configurations against desired configurations. This service is particularly useful for maintaining compliance with standards such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which requires organizations to maintain secure configurations for all system components. For instance, AWS Config can automatically check that security groups are configured properly to restrict access to sensitive data, ensuring that the organization remains compliant with PCI DSS requirements. Automation plays a vital role in implementing compliance frameworks, and AWS provides several tools to facilitate this. AWS Lambda, in conjunction with AWS Config and AWS CloudFormation, enables organizations to create automated compliance checks and remediate non-compliant resources. For example, if a security group is misconfigured, AWS Lambda can automatically correct the configuration, ensuring continuous compliance. This level of automation reduces the manual effort required to maintain compliance and minimizes the risk of human error. Moreover, AWS provides several predefined compliance frameworks and best practices through AWS Artifact, a central resource for compliance-related information. AWS Artifact provides access to AWS's security and compliance reports, including Service Organization Control reports, ISO certifications, and PCI DSS reports, among others. These documents help organizations understand AWS's compliance posture and demonstrate their own compliance to auditors and regulators. For example, an organization can use AWS Artifact to obtain a copy of the AWS SOC 2 Type 2 report, which provides assurance that AWS controls relevant to security, availability, and confidentiality are effectively designed and operating. Implementing compliance frameworks also involves conducting regular assessments and audits to ensure ongoing adherence to regulatory requirements. AWS offers several services to facilitate this process, including AWS Security Hub and Amazon Guard Duty. AWS Security Hub provides a comprehensive view of an organization's security posture across their AWS accounts, aggregating findings from various AWS services and third-party tools. Amazon Guard Duty offers intelligent threat detection, continuously monitoring for malicious activity and unauthorized behavior. Together, these services help organizations identify and remediate security issues, ensuring that they remain compliant with regulations such as GDPR and PCI DSS. Training and awareness are critical components of a successful compliance program. AWS offers several training resources, including the AWS Training and Certification Program, which provides courses and certifications on AWS security and compliance. These resources help organizations build the necessary skills and knowledge to implement and manage compliance frameworks effectively. For example, the AWS Certified Security Specialty Certification validates an individual's expertise in securing AWS environments, including implementing compliance frameworks. In conclusion, implementing compliance frameworks in AWS involves a multifaceted approach that includes understanding regulatory requirements, utilizing AWS services for logging, monitoring, encryption, configuration management, and automation, leveraging AWS Artifact for compliance documentation, conducting regular assessments and audits, and investing in training and awareness. By leveraging AWS's comprehensive suite of tools and services, organizations can effectively implement compliance frameworks, ensuring the security, integrity, and confidentiality of their data in the cloud. This not only helps meet regulatory requirements, but also builds trust with stakeholders, ultimately contributing to the organization's success. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.